Do your hands sometimes feel numb, like they've fallen asleep? Or do your legs get heavy, weak, or tired even after simple daily activities? If you're over 60, you may think this is just part of aging, but here's the truth. Much of that numbness, tingling, and weakness is linked to one thing: a decline in collagen. Now, before you think of expensive supplements or painful treatments, I've got great news. Nature already gave us an answer, in the form of 8 collagen-rich fruits that can help restore your strength, improve circulation, and even bring back flexibility. Stay with me, because I'll reveal all 8 fruits, why they matter after 60, and how to add them to your day in simple, delicious ways. And at the end, I'll share an inspiring message about how your strongest years may still be ahead of you. Let's start by understanding why hands go numb and legs feel weak. After 60, our bodies naturally produce less collagen, the protein that keeps our blood vessels, nerves, muscles, and joints strong. Without enough collagen, circulation slows, nerves don't get the same protection, and muscles lose their resilience. This can show up as tingling hands, sore knees, weak legs, or even balance issues. But here's the encouraging part. Collagen can be supported naturally, especially with the right fruits that are packed with vitamin C, antioxidants, amino acids, and minerals that stimulate your body to rebuild what it's losing. The first group is citrus fruits: oranges, grapefruits, lemons, and limes. These are collagen powerhouses because they're rich in vitamin C, which is absolutely essential for collagen production. Imagine your body like a construction site. Collagen is the building material, but without vitamin C, the workers can't even get started. Adding a daily orange or squeezing lemon into your water is one of the simplest steps to stop tingling and keep your joints flexible. Fruit number 2. Berries number 2. Berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries. These tiny fruits are antioxidant bombs. They protect your collagen from breaking down due to stress, inflammation, and aging. Blueberries in particular also support circulation, helping oxygen and nutrients reach your muscles and nerves. A cup of berries in your morning oatmeal or yogurt could be the energy boost your legs have been missing. Fruit number 3. Kiwi. Fruit number 3 is kiwi. Often overlooked, kiwi has more vitamin C than oranges, plus vitamin E, another antioxidant that shields collagen from damage. Seniors who eat kiwi regularly report less stiffness and improved digestion, a double win for anyone trying to stay active after 60. Slice it up, add it to a salad, or just eat it fresh for a collagen-friendly snack. Fruit number 4. Papaya. Fourth on our list is papaya. This tropical fruit contains vitamin C, vitamin A, and an enzyme called papain that helps reduce inflammation. If your hands often feel stiff or swollen, papaya can be a soothing, natural helper. It also supports skin elasticity, so not only will your legs feel stronger, but your skin may even look more youthful. Fruit number 5. Mango. Number 5 is the mango. Beyond being delicious, mangoes are full of vitamin C and polyphenols, which help protect and repair collagen. If you've noticed your legs tire quickly when walking, mango's combination of nutrients can help improve muscle endurance. Blend it into a smoothie or enjoy slices as an afternoon pick-me-up. Fruit number 6. Guava. Next up is guava, one of the richest natural sources of vitamin C in the world. Just one guava provides more than double your daily requirement. Guava also contains lysine, an amino acid that directly stimulates collagen formation. For seniors over 60, this means stronger connective tissues, less joint discomfort, and fewer balance problems. Fruit number 7. Avocado. Lucky number 7. Avocado. While not sweet like the others, avocado is rich in healthy fats and vitamin E, which prevent collagen breakdown. Think of it as a protective shield for your muscles and nerves. Regular avocado intake also improves circulation, which can fight that heavy leg feeling many seniors complain about. Fruit number 8. Tomato. And finally, number 8. Tomato. Technically a fruit, tomatoes are loaded with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect skin and connective tissues from damage. Tomatoes also support healthy blood flow, which is vital if you're dealing with numb hands or poor circulation in the legs. Adding fresh tomatoes to salads, soups, or sauces is a delicious way to support your collagen daily. Let's quickly recap the 8 collagen-rich fruits you should start eating after 60. Citrus fruits: oranges, lemons, limes, berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. Then we have kiwi, papaya, mango, guava, avocado, tomato. Each one brings unique nutrients that protect and rebuild collagen, supporting stronger muscles, better circulation, and healthier nerves. Now, imagine this. Instead of dreading weak legs, tingling hands, or the slow loss of independence, you wake up with energy, you walk with confidence, and you feel in control of your body again. It's not about turning back the clock. It's about making the years ahead stronger, brighter, and more enjoyable. Adding these fruits is a simple daily step, but small steps create big change. So, if you're over 60, I encourage you to make your grocery basket colorful with these 8 collagen fruits. Your body will thank you every single day. And before you go, share in the comments which of these fruits you already enjoy, or which one you're excited to try first. I'd love to hear your stories. Don't forget to subscribe for more senior health secrets, and stay tuned for our next video. This dried fruit repairs brain and eyes while you sleep, because your strongest years can still be ahead of you, and we're here to make sure of it.